I'm Amanda Carlisle. I'm from Haverfordwest. I'm 41 years old and I've been unemployed for the last 12 years due to my disability. When I was younger in school, believe it or not, I was very athletic. I would run everywhere, always in sports. I was working in a stray sanctuary, so I was walking the dogs every day, and then one day I just got up and I couldn't do anything. My legs were all swollen. Went to the hospital, they operated, and then I ended up with arthritis. So yeah, and then everything seemed to stop. If it wasn't for my children, I wouldn't get up, because it does make you feel totally worthless. I've got no job to go to. Who's going to want to employ me when I can't walk? Half the time I can't stand, or sometimes I can't even get out of bed. So you just do feel like there's no point. Bounce Back has helped me realise that I'm worth more than what I thought I was. I never thought I'd be able to work. I felt quite worthless. Teresa came out to my house, which was a big help, and done my health and safety with me, level 1 and level 2, which I would never have done off my own back. Teresa's also come out and helped me fill out an application form for a job and helped me write a covering note, because I would never have done it on my own. I wouldn't know where to start. So she made me feel that I could do it, and I am able to, and that I'm more than just my disability. She realised before I did that I was worth more than what I felt.